Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to delete characters on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete characters in the Characters AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Character AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to delete characters, here you can find the characters in the recent chats, just right here. Now to delete one of these characters, simply keep on tapping on the characters, just like this. And after doing that, here you can find the view character, hide character and share character. And tap on the view character just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see there is no any button that you can tap onto to delete the characters. Now to simply delete it, you can go back and keep on tapping on the character just like this. And here you can find the hide character just right here. Now select it. And by doing this, the character will be hide. Now you can see the character has been removed. And by doing that, you can simply delete the characters. And that's it. This is how you can delete characters in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.